Sup,
Me,
boys?
gun
Least
skin.
annoying voice pack here. Jeez, that's nice work. You're not bad at this game. The quicker, the better. Nice work. Jeez, that's better aim than I have. Better hope he had insurance for that one. Gosh. Nice work. You're not bad at this game. The quicker, the better. Nice work.
Barnacle.
Better hope he had insurance for that one. Gosh. Now,
Barnacle Arsenal.
this is epic.
Is it me? Wait, is it me or when you use the Hacula DX skin, the first player view is just delinquent?
Better hope he had insurance for that one. Gosh.
It's hard to get, so if you want it, good luck. I think it's a cool skin.
Better hope he had
I'm using
insurance
it.
for that one. Gosh.
My favorite, but I don't even know what skin is my favorite.
Jeez, that's better aim than I
And
have.
Jit stole my kill. Hey, just to make you feel better for grinding, my chair got broken when you were gone.
We should work together more.
Chair
My
broke,
lines carry
so I can't aim
you.
that good. My mom was cleaning my fucking chair for no reason, and